Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to be going on an adventure, but first we have to show you guys I got a new jump pack courtesy of you guys. Haven't spent any YouTube money in a long time. Not that there's very much coming in, but once in a while it is nice to pay it forward. Thank you guys for all the love and support on the channel. Today we picked up a Viking 2000 amp jump pack, and this thing's pretty cool because you can also charge your phone, computers and stuff. It's super small and compact. Got this nice little box, some magnets on it, boy. Boy, that's fancy, ain't it? So anyways, I don't want this to be like a product review, so to speak, where I open it up, show you all about the box, and tell you about all the features. There's plenty of videos like that. We're gonna grab it in more of a vlog style video. So if you like vlogs, like cool stuff, you're in the right spot. If you wanted a product review simply on this, there are a lot of other great ones on the YouTube, so go watch one of them. But we're gonna get this sucker. We gotta go hook up the gooseneck because we have to rescue the L5P. So it's a little bit dark outside, but we are going to take the LML, grab the load trail, run down to the repair shop, try to jump start the L5P because it's always dead. If you guys haven't seen our previous videos, it likes to not start. So we're gonna run down to the shop. Let's get hooked up to the trailer and get down there and yeah, test out our new Viking jump pack deal. Pretty cool. Nice little carrying case that it comes in. I did open it once already because I wanted to charge it to 100%. It's what they recommend, and I think that's what you're supposed to do with most batteries to train them properly. So yeah, there it is, boy. That's it. Super epic, huh? You must charge completely before first use, every time the battery drops below 50%, and every 3 to 6 months or can't be returned. But it's kind of nice because it's just that, and then if you want the jump pack, which we do obviously today, it just plugs into the top. It's just these nice little cables. I got like some 20-footers. Plug that booger in, and then the little charger to charge it at home. And yeah, on the side, what's that? Oh, that's probably, oh, that's if you want USB charge, laptop, iPad, and the USB-C for your phone. Pretty epic, huh? So nice little compact design. That's why I scooped it up. Shout out to Harbor Freight. I think it was like 140 bucks. So hopefully it's worth it. If it is, Ovi's gonna buy one too to have because they are super cool. So, oh, and a little flashlight. How fun. We have made it officially down here. Look at the boost autos. They are so bright out here, ain't they? And man, that trailer, load trail, this thing tows like a freaking dream. Again, the only thing it needs is probably some rock lights, a winch, a service light. It is kind of dark, but that's okay. Love this trailer. Those are probably going to be winter projects. I know I keep saying that, but we want to speak it into existence. The LML towed like a dream down here, so we got to get the L5P over there. Got to get the keys inside the shop and hopefully let it brighten up a little bit, because dang it. It's freaking dark out here. I don't want to load this sucker in the dark. Dang, son, the new addition down here for the service desk and customer lounge. This thing is going to go absolutely crazy getting framed in. The customers are going to freaking love it in here. This is going to be really upscale and over the top, guys. Just a heads up. Oh my gosh, look at that dang sucker. Way up in the air, boy. I'm gonna have to put this thing back together. A couple of bolts, but they still spinning. They still spinning. Okay, so now we just need to find the keys to the L5P. They're around here somewhere. Oh, there they are, in the Enzo's Chicken Cup. How about that? That's what we need right there. Okay, so we got about 20 minutes till the sun comes up, so we'll go ahead and get started, get this thing on the trailer, and then the light will catch up to us. Got the camera light for now, so let's go ahead and click. Okay, so we got some lights. It does unlock, that's good. Some of the lights come on. I really hope the truck don't start, because that'll ruin the whole dang video, won't it? So anyways, let's set our stuff down in here. Let's look around, get our key in there. Yeah, we got some juice. Does the screen come on? It's thinking about it. Oh yeah, the screen's coming on. So we do got some juice, enough to start. Nope. Yep, it's saying no. Good. I was gonna say, that would totally negate the whole video, wouldn't it? So let's go ahead and pop that sucker open. Cut that off for now. Bring this around to under the hood here. Oh, she's beautiful. Look at the forces, boy. Anyways, let's see. Oh, these hoods are heavy on these L5Ps. And this thing's frosted over. Look at the HSP. Oh gosh, I forgot how nice this truck was. So, there's our battery right there. Or do we jump that one? What side? I don't care. We're gonna try this side just because it's easy. So let's go ahead and open up our, let's open up the old Viking here. Get her plugged in and see what we can do. Okay. Don't need you, wall charger. We just need the cables. And I noticed it squeezes nicely down in there in the foam so you can protect it. That is super solid. So then we'll go up top here. I forgot you guys want to see it. Oh, golly. Now, okay. Now, I believe the blinking indicator means the power is ready to go. And then once you connect it, I believe it turns solid green. So let's get over here and see what we can do. Now, 100%. Both are connected. Oh, it's still going there. Gotta be solid green there, boy. Gotta have it on there, right? Go back in the cab. See if she'll do a little crank ski now. Okay, wait a second. She's cold too. You can tell by the frost, she is a cold. Nothing yet. I'll make sure that sucker's on there good. Yeah, it's still green. We've got rock lights going. We've got headlights going. We got mirrors, cab lights, tail lights, screen. Might just take a second. Big old diesel boy. Not yet. Ugh. It's still on, right? Okay. Ooh, close. We had a little crank there, boy. Did it go down at all? Oh yeah, 94. It going down. She wants to suck that juice right out of there. Oh my gosh. She cranked. Look at that. How much juice did it take? 10%, so we can even get a bunch more charges in. 89. Wow. Yeah, you can see it's kind of going now. I don't know how long you're supposed to leave it on there, but she started now, ain't she? Power that sucker off. And she's running. Disconnect it. And voila. Now she got to warm up and thaw out because, boy, we got to be able to see to put her on the trailer. Okay. So we'll go ahead and pick up our stuff here. Set that inside the cab. Like so. Then, everything's good under the hood now. Pull that sucker down. And yeah, let her thaw out. So if you guys don't remember, we told you before that our L5P Duramax is experiencing the Allison GM transmission issue with the 10-speed valve body. We got the software update, but it hasn't helped at all, and the actual valve body is back ordered until the middle of December. It was end of November, now it's December. They're just pushing it out forever, so we've got no parts, but it's hilarious that this thing, to get it to go at all in reverse, you have to like gun it. You hear how much I have to rev that sucker and it barely even goes? It does not like reverse one single bit. Ovi said at least it drives it forward, but you're not gonna love how it acts in reverse. So, and it don't turn anyway because of the wide tires, but we're trying out here. Good thing there's no traffic, bright and early. That's why you get up, early bird gets the worm. Yeah, listen to that rev. $2 grand just to get it to go 1 inch. Oh my gosh, this thing is clapped, boy. It might actually be better without the light now, huh? So we can see what the heck we're doing. Oh, always something, ain't it? This stuff is fun, boy. Then we'll go check our ramps and make sure we're gonna go on straight here. And yeah, let's get this show on the road, shall we? Pumped with the jumpers though. Big thumbs up for the jump pack. That sucker went crazy, boy. So let's see here. What do we think? Oh, not bad, not bad. Come straight on. Them ramps, boy, they're icy. Hopefully she don't slide, but four-wheel drive should work. What did I tell you? Right when the sun comes up, we've got the sucker loaded up, strapped down and ready to go. Double strapped on the back. Make sure she sits just right. A little sketchy going up the drive over ramps. They're awesome, but man, she did slip a little bit. Had her in 4 low, but she looks good up there on the trailer. So again, big shout out to Viking on the jump pack to get her going. Looks good on the old load trail. Now let's go get her over to the shop and yeah, hopefully at the end of December we can get the valve body part in so we can get this transmission fixed and enjoy this truck for what it should be, because man, we need some more L5P, don't we? Yep, she's purring, boy. Slow and steady wins the race with these things. Should we do a strap check? Oh my gosh, that sucker is tight. And look at the forces, boy. Yeah, she towed pretty darn well. Definitely can feel a little bit of the weight on there. That one, did it give us a crank? Not even. So man, shout out to the sunrise. Isn't it gorgeous? Look at the shots out here. Holy cow, boy. Okay, we made it. Oh, right by the slug bug right there. Yep, she tucked right in, didn't she? That looks nice there. I love the sun coming up. I know I keep saying it. Look at it. Got the skid loader, got the OG Razor, trailer's flat. Gooseneck. Oh, guys, I wonder if the old 6.7 Flatty won't start. Maybe we could jump that sucker. I'd love to jump that if we could. But yeah, let's drop it right here and see if she'll start again, shall we? Where are the keys at? Watch, that'll be like the one thing I forgot. Oh no, they were in my pocket. Okay. Let's see if she'll want to start. Oh. And we might just leave her on the trailer for now because got to clean out the shop. So no real point in getting her off of here just yet, but I do want to see if she'll start. If not, Ovi, I'll leave the jump pack with you, boy. But I'd go ahead and get them because they seem to be working. Hey, she still got juice, man. Look at the Tesla screen. Ain't that awesome? Auto Tech. Yep, she running up here on the trailer, boy. All right, let's see if that 6.7 will go too. Let it run a minute. Ovi said I should have just left it running the whole time on the trailer. That's what he does, just, yeah, load it up and let it run all the way over here, but that's all right. Okay, let that run. Let's go over and see if the old flatty's dead. That's kind of bad that I'm rooting for a truck to be dead, isn't it? That's hilarious. Most of the time you want your truck to start, but for this video's sake, we want things dead. But watch, it'll start this time. Last time I was over here, it didn't, because he left some stuff on in it from the razor trip. But let's see what we got, boy. Oh, she's sounding decent. Whoa, she got windshield wipies going.
I know exactly what you mean.
I know what you mean, buddy. Shut that off. Hey, turn them Ford wipers off. Whoa, faster. Maybe that. All right, let's see. Gosh dang it. The Ford started right up. And the Chevy didn't. What's wrong out here, boys? All right, well, since this thing's gonna be sitting here today, we'll go ahead and leave this old Viking jumper here for Ove. Just in case when he cleans the shop out and puts this sucker away, it's probably not gonna start again, so leave this right here for you, bud. Worked out well. All right, get up. Lock her up. Bada bing, bada boom. All right, guys, well, that was a lot of fun. Thank you guys for hanging out with me this morning. Great times out here, as always. I know that was kind of all over the place. That was a long product review if you just came for a product review, and maybe too much product review if you came for the vlog. But anyways, trying something different here. Stick around if you guys enjoy this content. Thank you guys for all the love and support. As always, open to suggestions in the future, but we just can't thank you guys enough, and thanks for allowing us to do this. And yeah, stick around. We'll see you in the next one. God bless you all. Peace. Oh yeah, Viking. Tory Taylor. Wow. Oh, you hit the razor, boy.